Hello everyone, welcome to Rustic Studios. My name is Mayowa, and today on this channel we shall be talking about smart room and all. This video is a part of a 3-episode video that we shall be talking about smart devices and all. So guys, let's get straight into the video. So guys, the first device we shall be talking about today is this device right behind me. It is called the Google Home Mini. This is a device by Google. It has other types. We have the Google Home and the Google Home Max, but this is the Google Home Mini, a budget device. There's really no much difference from between this device and the other devices, just that those ones are quite bigger and the sound quality on them are kind of better, and they do just a little bit more with sounds and all, but with the assistants built in this, they all do the same thing. Yeah, so this device comes with the Google Assistant, Google Assistant by Google, whereas you can converse with it and help you with things, probably set an alarm, set a reminder for you, turn on the lights, turn off the fan, turn off everything. And yeah, in my room here, this is basically what I use as my own hub. And this device comes with a 360 speaker at the top, and on the side we have the on and off for the muting of the device. That is, when you want to say probably hey Google and you don't want this device to answer you, this is what you do. You turn it the on and the mute button on and off. And also on the side we have the micro USB port. This device must always be plugged in for you to use it. As it is like this, I cannot use it except maybe I connect it to electricity or the power bank in the room. So guys, I'm just going to plug this device back and see and show you guys what this device does. So guys, the device is turned on like that, and I think it's already connected directly to my Wi-Fi. This device must always be connected to Wi-Fi for it to work very well, sufficiently. It doesn't have its own network source except you connect it to your house Wi-Fi, which I have already. I made a video about the mobile Wi-Fi I use. It's not that expensive. You guys can just go ahead, watch the video. I'll probably be dropping a link up here or in the description box below for you to watch if you haven't seen the video of the mobile Wi-Fi. And yeah, this device it does a lot, from searching the internet for you. Maybe you have test questions or maybe current affairs you just want to know. You can just easily say, hey Google, how many states does Nigeria have, things like that. Yeah, it will help you with that. So the first thing I will show you guys is with the lights, because those are the things that like they bust my head a lot. And one thing you should know about these lights is they are smart lights. Your normal bulbs will not work with it, except maybe you have a smart switch that's connected to the Google Assistant. These smart lights are already connected to my Google Assistant, so basically I can just say, hey Google, turn off the lights.
Okay, turning 2 lights off.
Yeah, so the 2 lights are the lamp here and the wall light. Hey Google, turn on the lights.
You got it, turning on 2 lights.
I can easily turn off just one light, which can be the lamp. I named this the lamp and I named that the wall light. Hey Google, turn off the lamp.
Alright, cancelled.
Hey Google, turn off the lamp.
You got it, turning the lamp off.
See? Hey Google, turn on the lamp.
You got it, turning on the lamp.
Hey Google, set an alarm for 6 a.m. every day.
Alright, your alarm's set every day at 6 a.m.
Hey Google, remind me to brush my teeth by 6:05 every day.
Sure, I'll remind you every day at 6:05 a.m.
Hey Google, what reminder do I have for tomorrow?
You have 4 reminders. Hey Google, make my every day at 6 a.m. Start work for tomorrow at 6 a.m. Brush my teeth every day at 6:05 a.m. And shoot YouTube video for tomorrow at 6:15 a.m.
Hey Google, how big is the Atlantic Ocean?
Atlantic Ocean has an area of 106.5 million square kilometers.
Hey Google, how big is the whale?
Whale species killer whale typically has a weight of 8,000 to 12,000 pounds. Sperm whale typically has a weight of 77,000 to 130,000 pounds. Others exist.
Wow. Hey Google, please turn on the fan.
You got it, turning on the fan.
Why is that fan blowing to the wall? That's deep. Hey Google. Hey Google, turn off the fan.
Sure, turning the fan off.
Yeah guys, so basically these are the little things you can do with the Google Home Mini. It is actually capable of a lot more things, like, hey Google, play music.
Playing some music on Spotify. Sorry, something went wrong. When you're ready, give it another try.
So this happens probably when the internet connection is bad, or maybe the network is poor, or maybe the connection between the Google Home Mini and the Wi-Fi is not that strong. So you can just try it again by saying, hey Google, play Davido.
Here's a Spotify station featuring Davido.
So because my Spotify account is not yet a premium account, it just goes on and pick random Nigerian songs. Does it later?
Only fire, only water, only money, only money, only money, only money. We are with the fire.
Hey Google.
Only money, only money.
Hey Google. Hey Google.
Yes.
Stop music. So we don't want to get copyrighted, so we have to stop the music. So as I was saying, the device goes ahead to pick random Nigerian songs it can find, and also you can see it started with Wizkid, whereas I asked for Davido, and later on in the playlist it can just play me Davido like a lot of times in between songs, whereas it can go from Wizkid to Two-Face to Olamide to Tiwa Savage to Simi to Adekunle to Kiss Daniel. Yeah, so basically these are the little things you can use the device for. If you're interested, this device are available from my own site for 35,000 naira. Yeah, and yep, so yeah, basically that's the thing I use this device for. Some of you might find it like, it's a toy and all, but as this room progresses, you guys will fall in love with this device. It's actually capable of a lot of things. I'm still going to buy more for my house and all, and yeah, okay, now we're signing out. Hey Google, remind me to go and service the car by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Alright, I'll remind you tomorrow at 8 a.m.
Hey Google, please turn on the fan.
You got it, turning the fan on.
Yeah. So guys, this is where we're going to end the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to drop a like, it's going to be helpful, and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.